Hey, Rita, welcome to Embedded Worlds, and thank you for spending time with us today at Intel booth. Hey, first of all, right, Intel and JHCTECH been working together for a very long time, right? And together we are serving industry like manufacturing, retail, smart transportation, and so on. Can you share a bit more what customers here recently bring to your regarding HAI? What are problem they're trying to solve? Probably let's start by addressing like what you hear and heard like recently. Yeah.
Thank you for having me today. And I'm Rita from JHCTECH. I'm the director of the Europe market and sales. And actually, it's an important question that the customer today, they are already not asking anymore, can your system run AI? Instead, they are moving their question to how many AI can your system run and can you prove it? Yeah, so actually this is a real different and compared to the past. And the expectation of the AI readiness is now just already a baseline from the customer. It's no longer a differentiator.
Got it.
Yeah. So actually the proof of the question is very important for the customer. Yeah. They want to know how is the AI run looks like on the real world. So they would like to see a system running on the well configured instead of just on the data sheet. So the buyer also are more aware about the cost than ever before. Yeah, like AI ready already, we can say that already it is translated into a TCO story. It's no longer just a performance story. So customers are more scrutinizing on the system cost, including also like the power draw and the effort of the maintenance.
Okay.
It's besides just the upfront pricing.
Okay. All right. Hey. So yeah, we see the same thing as well. By the way, right? Glad that you guys hear the same thing, right? We compare some notes, right? So it looks like if I sum things up, right? Customer when they come to us collectively, right?
Yeah.
They are looking for the system that's proven, right?
Yes.
That could run HAI, and this is why Intel put together the not only the foundational, the system ingredient. We test it out with the actual workload, the pipeline, with the benchmarking data to help partner like you, right, share with the customers. So that now customer able to understand what will be the possible of the performance that coming out from the system with the actual workload, right? So I think that's great, right? It's pretty consistent. This is what we hear from the industry as well. Hey, so now we are working on this HAS initiative together, and by enabling JHT Tech, now we can deliver different type HAS system to the market. Can you share a bit about what are benefit that so far you experienced from Intel working together in this whole HAI initiative, getting the HAI system ready in the marketplace?
Yeah, that's always important and a lot of benefit to be partner of Intel. Yeah, so that's why JHCTECH have been a long-term in partner of Intel. And being one of the partner, we get a lot of support from Intel, including like the blueprint and benchmarking framework, which also remove a significant effort of the engineering effort and cost from us. And we can just go to the customer with the verified solution.
Sure.
And which is also with the Intel backup and verified by JHCTECH, rather than we just asking the customer to trust us, trust on our internal testing.
Sure.
So I will say the approval from Intel is the really important thing for the customer to raise their level of confidence in JHCTECH products. Yeah, and both the hardware and software, which verified by Intel and also qualified by JHCTECH, which give customer a big level confidence that specific that can just give the customer. So especially for, I would say especially for some of my customers in the regulated industry, like in the healthcare, which is the very critical from regulated by the government, and also for the manufacturing, which is also very critical about the machine system performance.
Okay.
Yeah. Cool. Yeah, they say it like that.
All right.
And I would say the Intel AI system designation is being part of that is a market signal to the customer. It sends the signal to the customer that the system have been dimensioned
Sure.
and validated already. It's like a solution ready
Yep.
already from the Intel.
Yep.
It's not just built to the spec.
Yep.
Yeah. Also, I would say it, being the partner of Intel, it gives us the access to the Intel roadmap and and also the co-marketing support,
Sure.
which is very important for a company like JHCTECH because the market support, including like joint collateral, the builders Intel.com presence, and also the Intel partner branding, which all help us JHCTECH to extend our reach to all the potential customer and system integrator. And otherwise, if without this support from Intel, otherwise JHCTECH, we alone will have to spend a very large amount of effort and cost on the independent marketing development.
Totally.
Yeah.
All right.
So this really helpful for JHCTECH.
Glad to hear that. Right. So if we look at the whole Intel and our partner collaboration, right?
Yes.
It's really based on few foundation that we feel proud about, right? The system enabling with the right tools, right performance benchmarking data. We work together, enable the use cases, and then we're not going to stop there, right? We're going to activate the market together for go to market, right? So the whole ecosystem enabling flow is really what we proud about and what our customer really appreciate from Intel. I'm glad that you guys take benefit out from it. Hey, now I can't stop not talking about our latest product, right? This whole latest Intel Core Ultra Series 3, which comes with CPU, GPU, NPU that we just launched like back in January, right, 2026. How you see the customer respond, right? How you see the product, right? We're definitely very excited, right? How do you see the products there so far, right, from feedbacks? Yeah,
Intel Core Ultra is the star product in our JHCTECH company, and I would say the integrated AI accelerator in Core Ultra really changed the system design equation. Intel Core Ultra is allow a customer to remove the need for a discrete GPU, which will help the customer to simplify their BOM and also reduce the system power consumption, which means also you can cut down your electricity cost.
Exactly.
And also it shrinks the form factor of the computer, which is important for some customer scenario that their cabinet is very special limits. I would say the wide range of Intel they providing from entry level to high powerful level would allow JHCTECH to address different market needs for all several variety of customer requirements. And this gives JHCTECH a big advantage because we can meet the market needs with just one single platform. Instead, before we have to develop different kind of platform for around the different architecture. So I would say this is a very big advantage for the machine builder manufacturer like us. And also the Intel Core Ultra Series 3, it's embedded with the up to 180 tera operation per second. TOPS of the integrated AI power across CPU and built-in GPU and also NPU. In the single SoC chipset. Which gives our customer meaningful AI capacity without the cost and complexity of the discrete accelerator.
Cool.
So it's like all together in one single chips. It's reduce the size and accelerates the power.
It's good for the customer.
And I would say the real world TCO reduction of 39 to 67% will versus the traditional discrete GPU solution, which is a very strong selling point. When for the sales when they go to the customer.
Cool.
All right. It's
really
persuasive for the customer. And also the industrial grade features, like including like extended power, extended temperature
Yep.
option, and the ECC support, and also the functional safety readiness and Intel low life cycle availability. It all means the system JHCTECH delivered can stay on the market for like 5 or 10 more years.
Reliable.
Which, reliability, which give the customer the confidence that we will supply as a trusted partner for them.
Cool.
Yes.
Cool. Love it. Hey, we discuss a lot, right? Like how the conversation flow. Maybe I'll just sum it up with few key points.
Yes.
You know, I would like you to take sum up a couple of key takeaway as well, right? So for me, I think few key takeaway, right? Working together, right, with JHCTECH, Intel together.
Yeah.
Now we're able to bring the different HAI systems, the different size of the HAI system to the market. It do come along with the support from Intel, right, in terms of the tools, the performance benchmarking data to enable the real-time, the real use cases running on top of it. It's about both the compute, right, keeping the consistency as well as getting the AI on board on the same platform. And why so? Because it helps to save the TCO, save the power, right?
Yes,
Able to
exactly.
maintain a consistent performance, and better still, right? It provide the reliability and the trusted supply chain that the customer is looking for, right? And Core Ultra Series 3, great product this year, right? It's going to hit the market, right? And I think we're going to do a lot more great across different vertical market. So now, I think I say a lot as well, right? What's your key takeaway that you are very much looking forward for this year, that working with Intel, with partners, if you can throw some lights out? Yep.
I'm very looking forward to that.
All right.
Personally,
Cool,
I'm also
cool.
excited to the launch of the Intel Core Ultra 3. It's a very powerful CPU, which I think will be very, very useful and beneficial to our customers.
Sure.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I would say the customer demand for the AI capability system is now accelerating across all our vertical market customers. So actually, the question is no longer whether the HAI will be a mainstream. It already shifted the question to how quickly JHCTECH can deliver or scale up to this mid demand when the customer demand arrive is high volume.
Cool.
Yeah. And another thing is more than that is the platform continuity and also a strategic investment driver, like Intel's backward compatibility and the long roadmap or long life cycle commitment and the predictable roadmap is all allow JHCTECH to make multiple generation system without just generation product investment, without rebuilding from scratch every life cycle.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the really business model advantage rather than just a technical advantage.
Okay.
Yeah.
Love
And
it.
also the next generation of the Intel Core Ultra 3 is, I would say, it's really raise the AI performance ceiling across the industry. Yeah, it's which is really impressive. Which means the system JHCTECH deliver designed today on Intel Core Ultra 3 have a clear and more credible value to the customer when their requirement keep growing.
Sure.
Yeah.
Cool. Hey, thank you so much. Thank you for your time today, right?
No
Great to have you today, right? And let's go out and serve our customers, right? And help our customer to turn their idea become real.
Yep, I'm excited to go now. Yeah.
Cool. Thank you.
Thank you very much for having me today.
All right.
Yeah.